all friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will teach you how to make a very beautiful door and flower painting. It is very easy to make. For this we are using acrylic paint. First of all, we need the colors gray color, white color, yellow earth color, celestine, crimson red and black color. So let's start painting. First we will take white color. We will use in on the door to make the door. They will also paint white ground below. Now we will mix yellow orchid color with white color and use it on the wall of the door. Now we will use the yellow ochre color on the front wall. After that, we will use the gray color in the corner of the wall. Now we will make a line on the wall with gray color, like this. We will make a box like this on the wall with gray color. Now black color will make a line on the door it and make its lock. Now the flush tin will bring the color down to the ground. We will make a box with like this with white color on it. The black color will be on the other half of the wall. Now we will start making red flowers on it. We will make red flowers on the whole wall where we have painted black. We'll also put a little permanent red color on it. So, my painting is ready. If you like our painting, please subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to like and share and tell us in the comments how you like my painting.